Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary Chep, and in today's video we are going to prepare potato wedges with our chicken breast. So here we have our peeled potatoes. This is some ginger and garlic, and here is our chicken breast. So what we are going to do first, we are going to chop our potatoes. In this shape. So we have chopped our potatoes in these shapes. So next we are going to smash our garlics and ginger. Guys, since I don't have something for grinding, I'm going to use this, my rolling bin, and this tin to grind my ginger and garlic. I think it's ready. See our ginger and garlic. So we are going to put some here on our potatoes like that. Then we have this mixed spice. We are going to put small amount also here. Oops, that's enough. Then I'm going to put small amount of paprika. Let's add a little. After putting the paprika and our smashed garlic, and we are going to put now white pepper, and the black pepper. So that's it. We have put our smashed ginger and garlic, paprika, black pepper, white pepper, and our chopped potatoes. So we are going to mix them. We are going to add in small amount of cooking oil, like one tablespoon. With salt to taste. See, this is how our potatoes has come out. So we are going to marinate them. So here is my foil. So I'm going to put the potatoes. I'm making sure all the ingredients go with them. And then I'm going to close my foil properly. Then we are going to put it aside so that it can marinate. Then we are going to take our chicken breast. We divide it. I had put some food color. That's why you see it looks yellow. So I'm going to cut them into small pieces. I'm putting again in the container that I used to marinate my potatoes, so I'm going to add them here. Put small amount of mixed spice. Add some black pepper, white pepper, paprika. Our smashed garlic comes in. I'm going to use the whole remaining smashed garlic and ginger. Then I'm going to mix them. With my foil, I'm going to put the chicken here. We add some cooking oil to taste. And salt to taste. Then you are going to cover it and leave it to marinate for some time. So guys, here I'm frying my chicken after the marination. This is how they have turned out. This is how it has turned out. The marination, I dried our potatoes in a pan with some vegetable oils, and this is how it has turned out, our potato wedges. So guys, this is how our chicken has turned out after frying them in cooking oil, then also our potato wedges. So this is the end results. See you on the next one. Bye.